The problem today with installing a new light fixture. This dangerous process could take 30 to 60 minutes while standing on a ladder touching hazardous wires and risking lives. Smart SKYX Plug. Saving time, saving cost, saving lives. SKYX Platforms is introducing the SKYX Plug, the safe and smart solution for light fixtures and ceiling fans installation. SKYX plug-and-play technology takes only seconds to install or replace a new light fixture or ceiling fan, making it safe, easy, and convenient for the user. First-time installation takes only 2 to 3 minutes to install. And it is safe to touch. The safe weight-bearing ceiling outlet receptacle is the future for safer homes and buildings. It was voted by ANSI NEMA as the new ceiling outlet specification standards for homes and buildings.